Ever thought about creating audiobooks without recording a single word yourself? What if AI could narrate your content, turning your ideas into audio gold? Stick around because in the next 3 minutes, I'll show you how to build a profitable AI-powered audiobook business using tools like Speechify and Play HT. Today we're exploring how AI is revolutionizing the audiobook industry. With platforms like Speechify and Play HT, you can transform your written content into high-quality audiobooks, opening up new revenue streams and reaching a broader audience. First, let's talk about Speechify. This AI-powered text-to-speech tool converts your written content into natural-sounding audio. With a variety of voices and languages, you can customize the narration to suit your audience. Whether it's an ebook, blog post, or article, Speechify makes it easy to create engaging audio content. Next, consider using Play HT. This platform offers AI-generated voices that sound remarkably human. You can choose from a range of voices and accents to match your content's tone. Play HT also allows you to export your audio in various formats, making it convenient to distribute across different platforms. To create your audiobook, start by selecting your content. Upload your text to Speechify or Play HT. Choose your preferred voice and settings, and let the AI do the rest. Once the audio is generated, you can edit it for clarity and flow, ensuring a professional final product. After producing your audiobook, distribute it on platforms like Audible, iTunes, and Google Play Books. You can also sell it directly through your website or offer it as a subscription service. With the growing demand for audiobooks, this is a lucrative opportunity to monetize your content. Looking for more AI tools to enhance your audiobook business? Check out toolquay.com. It's the ultimate AI tool marketplace, offering a comprehensive categorized list of AI tools across various industries. Whether you're into content creation, marketing, or productivity, ToolQuay has got you covered. Visit toolquay.com to discover the best AI tools tailored for your needs. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more insights on leveraging AI for your business success. Drop a comment below with your favorite AI tool, and I'll see you in the next video.